How to view private account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, we are going to simply discuss whether or not we can view the private accounts, photos, videos, posts and so on. So you want to make sure to watch with me till the very end. Now currently, if I go ahead and I launch the Instagram application, if there is a public account, it's very simple to go into their profile and then simply view all of their posts, videos and so on. But if their account is actually private, of course you have to send a follow request. And to answer your question as to whether or not you can do it, well, Instagram security is not so weak that you can go ahead and just view photos and videos of a private account, because Instagram has a really strong security point in that case as well. So the only way you can actually go ahead, instead I can offer you an alternative solution as well, and that is that, let's say there is a specific private account that you want to follow, but at the same time you don't want to let them know that you're the person who are trying to follow them. Well, in that case, the only thing I can suggest you is to simply try to create a dummy account of some other profile, and after creating that dummy account, you can simply try to follow the person that you were trying to follow earlier. At least this time they're not going to know that you are the one who's trying to follow them, and if they accept it, that's fine, because still after they accept it, you can go ahead and view their private photos and videos without you having to follow them from your main account. So that is basically one of the things that you can do. But to answer your question as to view the private account photos, obviously that is simply not possible. Instead, you can simply try to wait until they turn their account public. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.